What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, Teacher Kevin PH, and we're back with another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the rank formula in MS Excel. For example, you're a teacher, right? And you want to rank out the grades of your students, okay? Then I'm going to teach you the most effective and the basic step, okay? The only basic step that I know is how to rank grades from the first to the last. Alright? But of course, my dear friends, if this is your first time to visit my channel, then don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. In this channel, I'm always uploading video tutorials about computers and more. Alright? So without much ado, let's do this one. Okay, so the first thing that we will do here, my dear friends, is to assume that your students already have their final grade. Okay? We'll just then input grades here. 89, 80, 76, 78, 90, 96, 98. Alright. Then proceed to cell B or whatever cell you may put the rank data. Equals rank. Alright. There you go. Open parentheses. Then click in the first grade of your first student, which is cell A1. Alright. Then, comma. The next. Drag this one from cell A1 up to cell A7. Okay. The next, highlight this one. Then, click F4. F4. There you go, my dear friends. Close parenthesis. Then press enter. There you go. All you need to do then is to drag this one down. Drag. There you go. So rank 1, 98. Rank 2, 96. Rank 3, 90. Rank 4, 89. Rank 5, 80. Rank 6, 78. And rank 7, 76. You can easily determine who got the highest and the lowest grade. Alright? So that's it for now, my dear friends. Hope you've learned something and see you again next time. Bye-bye.